Hey guys, it's me Aditya and I'm back again with another video. And this time we have the iPhone 16 Pro Max 512 gigs. So I've taken my time and now I've upgraded my phone to the latest iPhone 16 Pro Max. Alright, so what are we waiting for? Let's just probably, you know the drill. Alright, we'll just probably keep it aside. And let's just take the bad boy out. All right. Ooh, doesn't want to go out. So as you guys can see, I've taken the black color. I so wanted to take the gold color, which is the desert, I guess. But I couldn't get it, so, and I'm more fan of black titanium, so I thought I might as well take the black color. Let's just peel it off. Wow, looks so good. Just have a look at it. It's really amazing. Titanium feels light as well. And look at those new cameras. I'm trying to upgrade from iPhone 14 Pro Max to this one. And just how you guys can see that there is a button to turn silent mode on and off. And you can also customize this button as well. And then the volume keys are just here. You've got USB-C now. And then you've got a new button, which is the camera button. And you can customize this as well. And I guess if you slide your finger, it zooms in and zooms out. And that's your normal lock button. And with the blend of new iOS 8, this phone is a machine. Alright, let's just kind of turn this bad boy on. Alright, so let it come to life and we'll try to discuss about some features. So as compared to the 15 Pro Max, the new thing what I can say is it has got the new 48 megapixel ultra wide camera with larger sensor. And I think the bezels have gone down to 1.2 millimeter. So this is slightly taller and wider than the iPhone 15 Pro Max and has got a larger display, which is 6.9 inch with the thinnest bezels as Apple says. And they also say that it has the latest gen ceramic shield and the top-notch A18 Pro chip. So now they call the A18 Pro, which is still 3 nanometer chip, but it is an upgrade from A17. And just like iPhone 15 Pro Max, this also supports Apple Intelligence. So let's see what Apple Intelligence has to offer us. And we have the new camera control button as I showed you, which is here, sorry, on the other side, here, this one. And then we have visual intelligence with camera control. So 15 Pro Max will not give you the visual intelligence with the camera control. And oh yeah, it's just asking me to set up now. So, and what else? So this time we have spatial videos and photos option as well. And I think the better battery life. So now you can expect up to 33 hours of continuous video playback. And it's very fast, like 25 watt MagSafe support compatible as compared to the last year's 15 watt MagSafe QI compatible. And as I talked about the design, and I think there's the color options in this are black titanium, which is this one. And then we have the natural titanium, which is like silverish titanium. Then we have white titanium, And then the desert titanium. So desert titanium is kind of the new option, which is there. Appearance. Oh, I think this is better. Quick start. Set up without another device. Yeah, we'll just continue the setup. So I'll just set it up myself, set it up later, and then let's just do 1, 2, 3, 6. Oh, you guys know my passcode now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then let's just get it done. Nah, don't transfer anything. And then, let's just enter our Apple ID. All right, coming back to the setup. Okay, there you go. Let it just set it up for myself. Let's see. Bling, bling, bling. Okay, take your time. Let it sync. Right. All right. So now we can see that we need to customize the action button. So let's see what we can do. Okay. Hold to solid. It's good. Oh, so I can change it to focus mode. I can change the camera. I can change it to torch, voice memo, Shazam, translate, and magnifier, which is pretty good. Probably leave it at silent. Camera control. Okay, so that's the button there. Continue. Not now. Continue. Alright, welcome to the new iPhone. Let's just leave everything and then just check our camera first. Okay, wow. 0.5, 1, 2, and wow, 5x. Look at the camera. It's amazing. And let's just check from this button here. Okay, so I can zoom out and I can zoom in. That is high definition detail we're talking about here. That's really good. That's amazing. Alright, we'll have a play around with this. Okay, wow. So if you're on the screen and you just want to use the camera, it just pops up with that animation and then goes back. Look at this, amazing. Wow, there's a lot of things which I'll be exploring now today. My whole time of the day will be gone exploring this new iPhone. And let's keep it aside and check what's there in the box. So we have the SIM adapter, and then we have the USB-C to USB-C cable, which is braided by Apple. And that's about it, what comes inside the box. Let me know how you like the video and share some feedback with me, and I'll probably bring some more videos. Cheers.